Hello everyone, welcome to Brilliant Public School, Class 7th, Unit 5, Life Simple Comedies, Section 1, Videsya Babu, Part 2. This is the second part of the story Videsya Babu, presented by Mrs. Renu Tiwari. So, we have read the first part. Now, we'll see what will be there in the second part. So, then Khichdi came up with a mad idea. He said, Babuji, Motia and I will sit there at the edge of the forest and fast, just like the old sadhus. Now, Khichdi came up, he gave the idea to Videsya Babu that Babuji, Motia and Khichdi, they both will sit at the edge of the forest and they will sit like just like the saints, sadhus. The power of our fasting will frighten the tiger back into the forest. When you know the power of fasting is too much, after seeing us, the tiger will be frightened and they will go back. Added cunning Khichdi, you can give us reward, Sahib, like a week's supply of kachoris or even tickets to the movies. Okay, sir, if I'll do that, so you will give us reward. What will be the reward? Supply of kachoris or even the tickets for the movies because they were fond of watching the movies. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Please, fast, 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 yelled the small crowd of people walas. Here, the people of Pipli, they started shouting that yes, yes, please do it, do it, do it. Videsya Babu said, okay, it sounds quite cracked, but let us try it. I think it is not good idea, but let us try it once if they are planning and you all are favoring this idea. So I'll not say anything. So Khichdi and Motia's families brought them two mats and spread them out a little distance from their huts and quarters. Now Motia and Khichdi families they brought two mats for them because they both decided to sat under the tree like sadhus. So they spread those small mats out of a little distance from their huts and quarters and then they said a little prayer. Now they started the prayer because Motia and Khichdi they both decided to go and sit under the tree. Mother Nature, good and kind, give us brains to help our minds. We want to calm down Tiger Ji. Make sure these two don't cheat us, Ji. So, yeah, this is the prayer. They were praying to Mother Nature that be kind towards us, give us brains, so our mind will help us to make the tigers away from there. Don't cheat us, Ji. And this must be sure that nobody could cheat us. Don't cheat, you too, said Budley with his hands on his hips. If we catch you eating, you have had your chips. Arey bhai, don't talk about chips. You are making me hungry. Why you are talking like that? Don't cheat, you too, said Budley. Budley said he kept his hand on his hips and said, if we catch you eating, you have had your chips. You told that we will be on fast, but if I'll find that you are eating the chips, then you will be punished. Then Motia answered, Arey bhai, don't talk about chips. You are making me hungry. You are talking about the chips. Now I am feeling hungry, said Khichdi as Motia gave him a dirty look. After a little while, everyone went off to their jobs and household chores and naps. After this, they all went to their house. Meanwhile, Messrs. K and M were fasting very hard. When all was silent, Motia heard a soft scuffing sound and turned around to see Khichdi trying to stand up quietly. Suddenly, Motia heard some sound, small. Then, when he looked around, he saw that Khichdi was trying to stand up. As they decided that they will sit, they will not stand, they will not eat. But he saw Khichdi was trying to stand up quietly. See here, both were sitting on the mat. Where are you going, Kitch? He asked, and Kitch said, Oh, just to the bathroom. Oh, I am going to the washroom. Oh, okay, said Mutia and carried on fasting. But of course, we know that K wasn't going to the B room at all. But Motia was knowing that Khichdi is not going to the washroom. He is just making me fool. He sprinted off silently to a part of thickest where there was guava tree laden with fruit. Now, what he saw, Khichdi was near the guava tree, and that tree was fully laden with the guava fruits. Shriman Khichdi ate three juicy guavas, nice big ones, drank some water from a spring nearby, and came back looking very innocent. Now, Shriman Khichdi, here Motia called Shriman Khichdi, you eat three juicy guavas, big one guavas, and drank some water from the stream, and came back looking very innocent. I know that you have done that, and you are showing your face as you are very innocent. So, after seeing the juicy guavas, Khishri ate the guavas and Motia knew everything. As he sat down, he burped a little tiny burp. Motia opened one eye and said to the bathroom, Oh, and K said, yes, yes, of course. You went to the washroom. Well, anyway, Motia didn't say anything because he was a peaceful fellow and thought he could chase the tiger away with his own fasting okay. Motia thought, let Khichdi do this cheating, but I will not do because I have taken the oath that I will save the village from the tigers. So I will continue my fasting honestly. But he certainly suspected Khichdi because, as everyone knows, no one burps when they come back from the B room. They only burp when they have eaten something. Now, but Motia suspected that Khichdi because, as everyone knows, without eating, burp will not come. If you will go to wash B room, you will not burp will not come. But if you will eat something, then burp is possible. That they only burp when they have eaten something. For the next 2 days, Khichdi disappeared for half an hour each afternoon. Now, from next day, it was the continuous process for Mr. Khichdi. For half an hour, he used to disappear, and all the while, K was stuffing himself with the guavas. Khichdi was eating the guavas nicely. Poor Motia had been starving with only a few sips of water to keep him going. But Motia was honest and he was continuing his fasting. He was only drinking few drops of water, few sips of water to make him alive. Now, friends, on the evening of the third day, just as twilight was beginning to fall, there was a biggest scene in Pipli town. One evening, third day, that evening, there was something happened. Twilight means faint light after the sunset. After sunset, what is the condition of the sky? Means faint light you can see after the sunset. So, because Tiger Ji had seen with his keen little eyes our friend Khichdi come to sneak guavas for 3 afternoons, and he also saw there was no one nearby where these two gents were fasting so fast. Now, Tiger had seen these two person, those who were in the jungle and keeping the fasting so fast. So, this was the second part of the story that two friends were there. One, Motia and Khichdi. Khichdi broke his fasting, but Motia was continuously doing the fasting honestly to save the people of Pipli. So, this was the second part of the story. Now, third part is also there that you will see in next video. So, stay at home, stay safe.